Greetings, I'm Whitey, a clear ice expert. Pour it. This is the mold for crystal clear high-quality ice from Trendy Bartender. I'm going to show you how it works and why I think it's a total game changer. Let's open it up. Inside, it's a simple two-part system. First, you have this sturdy, insulated base to hold the water and molds during the directional freezing. The silicone molds, 2 of them, are used to make 2 2-inch square cubes. So, how does this make clear ice? The science is called directional freezing. Regular ice trays freeze from all sides at once, trapping air and impurities in the middle, which is what causes that cloudy center. This mold is different. The insulated base forces the water to freeze slowly from the top down. As it freezes, all those air bubbles and impurities in the water get pushed down, out of the cubes, and into a small reservoir at the bottom of the mold. What you're left with are 2 stunningly clear cubes. Now, let me show you how simple it is to use. Step 1. Add water to the base. You don't even need special filtered or distilled water. Fill it about 1 inch from the top. Step 2. You just put the 2 silicone molds into the insulated base. Make sure it's seated all the way down. Step 3. Now the hardest part, waiting. Place the whole unit in your freezer for about 24 to 30 hours. After a minimum of 24 hours, our ice is ready. Now for the magic moment. Let the unit sit at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then, you just lift the silicone mold out of the base. It might be a little snug, but just give it a firm pull. And look at that. 2 stunning, clear ice cubes. Not a cloud in sight. So, my final verdict? The mold for clear ice from Trendy Bartender is easy, simple, and it does exactly what it says it will do.